General Mkhwanazi must not go to any commission. He did not request for an establishment of any commission. He made it explicitly clear that these people are criminals. He called them out by names. Okay, Minister of Police is interfering with police work, is part of the criminal syndicate, this one and this one. If he was lying, they could have sued him for defamation. That's what they could have done. But instead, they established a commission of inquiry to test those allegations. These allegations could have been tested in a court of law. So now we are being told by politicians that the general might be lying if he does not attend that useless thing. And we know that with these commissions of inquiry, there's always a predetermined outcome. They do not yield any positive results. Because these people who are part of these commissions that are being formulated are part of these criminals, are friends with these criminals. So I wish General does not attend that thing. These allegations must be tested in a court of law, not by any commission. Giving commission in South Africa, state capture, they've been commissions after commission. Nothing sensible has come out of these commissions. Why was some subi? I get it, the minister could have said, when I'm fair to why is he not doing that? We don't need any commission of inquiry. We want people to be arrested. And today, I was reading something that the political task team, two doggets, with the political killing task team, 2 people have already been arrested already. Get already not, hey, general must come here, must be summoned. Someone to do what? To talk to you. Ditsotsi.